Have you ever wondered why short hairstyles often make women over 60 look more youthful and refreshed? As we grow older, our hair naturally changes. It may become softer, thinner, or lose some volume. But interestingly, these changes make short hairstyles even more flattering. Short hair removes heaviness around the face and allows natural features to stand out. The eyes appear brighter, the face looks more open, and the overall appearance feels lighter and fresher. One of the biggest reasons short hairstyles look youthful is balance. Short cuts frame the face gently and create shape, which gives a lifted and polished look without needing dramatic styling. Another very important reason is volume. Short hairstyles often add movement and texture, helping the hair appear fuller and healthier. This small change can make a big difference in how a person looks and feels. But beyond appearance, short hair also changes confidence. Many women describe feeling freer and more comfortable after cutting their hair shorter. Styling becomes easier, daily routine becomes simpler, and elegance feels effortless. Short hairstyles are not about trying to look young again. They are about embracing a style that fits this stage of life. Practical, graceful, and timeless. Do you prefer shorter hairstyles or longer hair after 60 years of age? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Another reason short hair feels refreshing is how it highlights personality. Instead of hiding behind heavy styles, facial expressions become more visible and confidence naturally shines through. You may notice that many women look more relaxed and happy after choosing shorter hair. That is because the right hairstyle becomes supports comfort as well as beauty. Short hairstyles also adapt easily to everyday life. Whether styled simply or dressed up for special occasions, they remain elegant without requiring too much effort. These qualities make short hairstyles a timeless choice of women over 6 years of age. It makes it simple, confident, and beautifully natural. And as you continue watching, notice how each transformation shows the same result, a refreshed appearance that feels modern yet graceful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to BJ's Airwaves TV for more hairstyle inspiration created specially for women over 50 and 60. Remember, style has no age limit and confidence is always the most beautiful look. See you in the next video. Bye bye. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists who have given us the opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them.
She grew up with love everyone would expect. Had an army behind her, got it from the opposite sex. Friends told her she was beautiful, so she gathered up her confidence, decided to go out on her own. She met you at the peak of her confidence, but all you cared about was would she submit, drop everything and give her all to you. Well, what about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What's best for me? Consider